Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Media Graphics. In this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create a birthday flyer with your phone using Pixellab. So let's begin. First, you open your Pixellab app, click on the three dots, then image size. Then you type in the image size. Now let's bring in the first background image. You click on the select tool, as you can see, that is the main menu. Then you click on the import, as you can see, that is the import icon. Click on import. Then as you can see, we are bringing the main image as the background image, as you can see. So we expand it. Now when you are done, you click on the layer tool, then click on the padlock icon. So let me explain that. Let me show you. For that's the layer tool, then that is the padlock icon. So that's good. Now let us bring in the first picture. Click on the main menu, then the import. As you can see, bring in the first picture. That's it. Then now before we continue, I like using the grid. So this is the grid. I love it very well. It makes us make our work easier. Then click on the grid setting, then click on that grid number. That's the number they give the numbers of grid we want. So 20 horizontal and 20 vertical. I love using this, so it makes our work neat and precise. So whenever you use the grid, it makes you position your elements, your letters, anything, and make your work neat and professional. So I love using the grid. So I'm trying to place the elements very well, the picture, using the help of the grid, so to position, to make my work neat, so as to make everything accurate. So I'm finding the spacing, the art size. I'm trying to check so as to balance everywhere very well. The size of the art, not big. I don't want to make it too big or too small, so as to fit the image and the specified area. So let me bring it down. So look at the tip of the art is at the first line. As you can see, I think that's good. And the eyes correct, checked. The hand checked. The elbow checked. The left hand also checked. Okay, now I think that's good. Now let me lock it. So before I'm done, now let me click on layer tool, then lock it. Now the next thing is the gradient. Click on shapes, then click on the menu, click on shapes, then scroll down, click on gradients. There's one I've already done already. As you can see, I've done that already. But if you want to learn, click on the plus icon. Then as you can see, then the first one, click on it. So that's called the color fill. Click on the color fill, then on the pencil icon. Or before that, as you can see, this other one will be dragged to this side, then the other one to this side, then you can see to this side, and the other one too to that side. You drag it. Do you understand? So that's it. You can check the description below for more tutorials on gradient effects. So let's continue. So let us position that very well with the help of the grid. As you are watching this video tutorial, if you have any questions or anything to say at all, you can drop it in the comment section below for me to see. Really appreciate that. Now I'm done. I'll click on the layer tool, then lock it. Now the next is to tap on the screen, then click on the menu icon, then import, as you can see, then to bring the second picture. So this is it. So crop it down, then position too with the help of the grid. So always use the grid, so that will help you position your elements and make your work neat. So in my tutorials, I love using the grid. So let me check it very well. If you are still watching this tutorial in a portrait mode, I would advise you to tap the screen, then click on the expand icon to get a better experience of this video tutorial. Now I think I've got the angle. That's correct. This is lovely. So set. So let me lock it. That's good. Now the next thing is to type. We are typing. Now click on the A icon. I'll click on that. Then plus icon, then the pencil icon. So let me click on the pencil icon. Now I'm typing Darasimi. That's the name. Now let us edit the text. First, the text size, give it text size as you can see. Now the next thing, the fonts, give it fonts. I'll be using Amrat bold, so that's it. Amrat bold, that's good. Now the next thing, we'll give it the spacing. Some spacing will be good for that. Now the stroke, next thing, stroke width, increase that so as well. So as you can see, it's forming the shape. That's lovely. So break it down when I'm done. Using the grid again as usual to get the position right, then the alignment too as well. Perfect. So click on layer 2, then lock it. Now plus and the pencil icon. This time around we'll be typing happy birthday. Now let us edit the text as usual. The text size, increase it or decrease it. Now the next thing, the font too as well. Bologna regular, Balongo, what's the name? Bungalo, yeah, regular. Now drag it down. So with the help of the grid as usual, let me scroll now, stroke enabled. Wow, I think this is good. Now the next thing is for the spacing. So let me increase it a little bit. So I think that's good. Now position very well. Now click on the layer to then lock it. Wow. Now let's go to the next thing. Click on the plus icon, the pencil, then type the name Oyor, Oyor. Now the next thing, as usual, text size. Now we are done. We move to the next one, color. Give it color. Move to the next one, the font style. Then I'll be giving it Antonio script. So if you want to learn how to download all these things, you can check on my description below. Now stroke, color white this time around. So placement, then as usual, the grid. So let me make it bold so that that's good. Then bold, that's the style. So any other thing, yeah, I need to expand it too as well. That is the line spacing too as well. So let me just increase it a little bit. So that's it. So the grid too as usual to make my work neat for the placement. Now the next thing, we lock it. After that, now let us do the bring in the next thing. Click on the import icon. Wow, so bring it in. So the first thing, you go to erase color, enabled. Then the one that look like a syringe, let me show you this icon, color picker. It look like a syringe. This one, you click on it, then drag it down to the white, that black part, as you can see. Then tolerance increase full. Then give it color. Choose its color. So that's it. So if you want to check how do I get this color, so click on the plus icon, then you click on the pencil icon. So let me click on the pencil icon. As you can see, this is the code. So this is the color code I'm using. So you can use it for your store as well. So let's continue. So let me give it stroke enabled. I think this will be good. So let me place it very well. Now let me bring in the other one. Let me lock it first. Now import. That's it. Import this of one. Now click on the erase color enabled. Just color picker as well. Okay, then and just reduce the tolerance a little bit. Then the grid as usual for my placement. Now let me type beauty, strong, elegant. So let me type those. You can kindly drop your comments concerning this video in the comment section. I really appreciate that. This time around I'll be giving it texture, no color. I'll click on the texture, click on that too. Then I'll be giving it this texture, this fire-like texture. I like this one. So that's it. As you can see, then let me give it some editing. The fonts, I'll be using Jehovah Trial Black. Yep. So then let me give it some spacing and some line alignment so as to make it good. So with the help of the grid, as you can see, I've been using the grid for my alignment and my spacing and positioning. So it's very, very good. I would advise you to use grid too as well. So as you can see, with the help of the grid, it makes the work neat and professional. As you can see, the alignment and everything with the help of the grid is make it good. So let's continue. So let's bring in the shadow for the feet. So let me edit that, then put it there. Now let me take it to the back. I click on it, hold it down and drag it down. As you can see, if you don't know how to move it, this is how to move it. You hold it down, you see, you can, as you have pen it down, when you hold it down, you drag it up or down, any how you want to do it. So let me just drop it there. So that's it. Now let us bring in our shining star or the shining light. So let us edit that and put it behind the and yes, so let us put it in front of the and rather, so to create that sparking effect. That's lovely. Now let us bring in the last one, the last effect. So this is kind of a shadow effect, the light shadow. So as you can see, this is how to create it. Let me see. No, don't let me save it. Let me tell you. So as you can see, this is how to create it. So lovely and neat. So let me save. Then click on the drop bar. Then click on the ultra. Then save. If you love this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen so as for you to get more tutorials like this. And also kindly drop your comments in the comment section below concerning this video, what you think. Like, then always share this video across the socials. So if you want more videos, tutorials, you can see on your screen right now, you can click on any of those tutorials to get reviews or to get more information on what you need on graphic design. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.